click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the notification of every video I upload. Hello friends, this is Android and Christian. In this video I will talk about the Android Pie update of Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus. So let's watch. So friends, the Galaxy S8 was getting Android Pie stable update in Germany with one UI, but in some countries it was still running Android Pie beta. But now these devices are now getting Android Pie stable update in more countries, which include UAE, India, Vietnam for dual SIM variants, Nordic countries, Netherlands, Spain, Italy and Vietnam for S8 single SIM variant, Netherlands and Nordic countries for S8 Plus dual SIM variant. And friends, the S8 Plus single SIM variant has not get Android Pie update yet, but if any news will come, you will get it on our channel. And friends, if we talk about what's new in this update, so first of all we will get brand new One UI from Samsung with Android Pie. Plus there are almost same new features we can see in ordinary One UI update. The update also includes February security patch. You can download the Pi update over the air by tapping the download update manually option in the software update section of the phone settings. The rollout is not as quick as it has been for the Galaxy Note 8. So friends, I hope you will like the video, so subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Peace out.